To keep track of your plan and usage, let's head over to the credits page. This is your hub for everything credits. At the top, you'll see your current balance, total earned, and total spent credits. It's a quick snapshot of your account. These tabs help you dive deeper. Let's explore the overview, pricing plans, format costs, and transaction history sections. On the Overview tab, your recent activity shows each generation and its credit cost. Transparency is key. Want to plan your content? Click the Format Cost tab to see how many credits each activity type uses. For a complete record, click the Transaction History tab. You'll see a detailed ledger of all your credit usage. To add more credits, click the Pricing Plans tab. Choose the yearly toggle to see how you can save. Or select the monthly toggle for more flexible options. Find the plan that fits your needs and upgrade anytime.